Hello mga ka-foodie and welcome to Foodie Louie channel. Today we are going to make the famous Italian dessert called Tiramisu. If you are new to my channel and you like the videos, please subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified for new videos. Thank you! The first thing I'm going to do is prepare the espresso mixture ready. I got 6 ounces of boiling water and I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of instant espresso powder and whisk together until the instant espresso is dissolved. Then I'm going to add 60 ml of Kahlua or coffee liqueur to add a little bit of kick. You don't have to add this alcohol. This is optional, especially when you're making this for kids. Whisk the espresso mixture and set it aside to cool completely. Set up a double boiler, get a saucepan over medium heat at a simmer, and get a medium bowl that sits on top of the saucepan with 6 egg yolks in. Whisk the egg yolks. Add 1 cup of sugar and whisk it constantly for about 8 to 10 minutes to cook the egg yolks. The purpose of using a double boiler is you don't want to cook the egg yolks over the heat. The result is scrambled eggs. About 10 minutes of constantly whisking together, you might notice that not all sugar is dissolved in the mixture, but it will be later on as we continue with our tiramisu. This is the consistency that we are aiming for our mixture. Set aside the mixture to cool it down. Let's prepare the whipped cream with a cup and a half of cold heavy whipping cream, and make sure that your mixing bowl is also cold. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the mixture and start whisking it until it comes together. You can use any mixer. This time I'm going to use a hand mixer. This is the mixture we are aiming for. Do not over whisk it or you will make a butter. The next step is to get your egg yolks and sugar mixture and add 1 cup or 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Please only use mascarpone on tiramisu. Do not use cream cheese and ricotta. Cream cheese is a little bit too sour and ricotta is a little too grainy. Mix it together until it is smooth and no lumps. Once the mixture is smooth, let's add the whipped cream. Be careful on mixing this, you don't want to deflate your whipped cream. Just fold this in and make sure to use a spatula and go right through the center and scoop upward towards the side of the bowl. You may think that it might not come together, but trust me, it will. Just be patient. Once the mixture has come together, set it aside and we are ready to assemble our tiramisu. To assemble this, I'm going to use these Ladyfinger cookies and a glass baking dish. I am going to dip the Ladyfingers into the espresso mixture and arrange them into the baking dish. Make sure you don't dip the Ladyfingers for more than a few seconds. As you can see, they will absorb the liquid fast and you want to make sure you have an espresso mixture to complete the tiramisu. Next, I'm going to take the half of the mixture and spread it on top of the Ladyfingers and spread it all over. Arrange the second layer of the Ladyfingers and just repeat the process. Got to press them a little bit into the mixture. Take the rest of the whipped cream mixture and spread on top of the Ladyfingers. Once the top surface is flat, cover it with aluminum foil or whatever you have in your pantry like wax paper or cling wrap. Refrigerate this for at least 8 hours. Tiramisu is one of the desserts that tastes better as it sits. After 8 or more hours, this is our tiramisu. When you are ready to set it up and can't wait to try it, cut yourself a slice and put it on the plate. Take a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa powder and dust it right on top. Oh my goodness, this is so worth it. If you enjoy my video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I have a new uploaded recipe. Thank you, Foodie.